Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by removing admin privilege from the daily account, so installs require elevation. That alone stops most casual installs. Once done, make sure UAC is set to at least the default prompt level so approval is explicit. Next, open the local group policy editor, gpedit. MSC on Pro/Enterprise. Home users will need equivalent registry edits or third-party tools. This combination of no admin rights plus enforced prompts is the immediate, essential foundation before applying stricter installer blocks. Once the foundation is ready, configure Windows Installer to turn off Windows Installer and set it to Always. This prevents MSI installs without admin override. Then create App Locker or software restriction policy rules that deny execution of EXE, MSI, and MSU except from explicitly whitelisted folders and sign publishers. Make sure to whitelist Windows Update and Trusted System paths so security patches still install. This step is detailed but necessary. It transforms the passive restriction into an enforced policy that blocks installers by default. Now enforce the policies, restart, and test with the standard user. Try running a common installer and confirm it is blocked. Once verified, check audit logs under App Locker or software restriction policies to see denials and refine rules if legitimate apps fail. If something breaks or you lock yourself out, use a recovery USB or an offline registry edit from an admin-enabled environment to revert the policy. Troubleshooting tip: if installs still occur, ensure no hidden local admin accounts exist, and secure firmware/boot with a BIOS password to stop offline bypasses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.